Welcome everyone to Stacy's Country Cooking. I'm going to be fixing some country style ribs in foil pouch with some veggies. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, here is my pork ribs, country style ribs, and then I've got some seasoning. I've got salt, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, and some pepper. I'm going to stir this up really good. I'm going to sprinkle it over the meat. I'm going to turn it over and do the other side. Now I got this hot skillet. I'm going to take the pork ribs and I'm going to put them in there, and I want it to sizzle. I want it to sound like that. I want to get a brown crust on it before I put it in the pouch. Here's my foil. I'm going to get it ready. I want to add some olive oil to the bottom. I want to put cabbage down. Some cabbage. And then I got some big, large pieces of onions. I love onions. Yummy. And I've got some diced or chopped up bell peppers. I'm going to put it on top. And then I sliced up some jalapeno peppers. And I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil. I'm almost out. Sprinkle some of my seasoning on there. See that brown color? That's what you want on there. That. I'm going to do each side that way. And even the sides. I'm going to start laying this on top of the veggies. add some chicken broth to this and deglaze this pan. I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of butter. And just let that butter melt. I'm going to take this mixture and pour over top. Close it down. I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven, and I'll check on it in about 25 minutes. You could also do this on a grill in smaller packages. I don't want my, slowly let it release. Oh yeah, that looks so good. That meat looks tender. Oh yeah, look. Looks delicious. Get some onions, some cabbage. Nice piece of meat to put on top. There's my country style pork ribs in an aluminum foil pouch. You could do this on the grill. You could add potatoes to it, any kind of vegetables you would like to. Thank you for joining me today on Stacy's Country Cooking. Have a great day.